This is the steering wheel. It's the primary control of the car. Most cars have circle shape. To hold the steering wheel, you need to use both hands. If this is a clock, we can tell this is a 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and this is the 9 o'clock. Your hand default position gonna be in 9 and 3 position. Or some people gonna put in 10 and 2 position. Both are okay. So this is your hand in the steering position. We come to a right corner, so you put your right hand on the top of the steering first, then put it down and start to push and pull. Now the car going to the right. And to counter steer, or to put the other way around, you do the same thing. Now we come to a left corner, so your left hand goes to the top of the steering and start to turn the steering. Give it to your right hand and hold it at a certain angle. Now you counter steer. This is how it looks like from the outside. The car just made the right corner. Now the car is preparing to make a left corner. We come to a left blind corner. So your left hand goes on the top of the steering, pull the steering down, give it to your right, give it to your left and hold it. To counter steer, use the other hand. Right, left, right. And your hand back to the default position again. When you come to a corner that's just very easy on light, you can use both hands to steer, like this. That's simple. We come to an intersection. That is the sign. Now I'm gonna turn on my left blinker first. Now it's on. We come, this is what we call a blind junction. You cannot see through right and left. So we stop, we're gonna check, then we're gonna turn with your left hand first. Push and pull, and counter steer with the same way possible. Ta-da! Now we're heading to another direction. So this is open junction, this is a blind junction. We want to go right, so right blinker now. Right hand on the top, check the traffic and start to turn the steering. And then after, you counter steer with same push and pull method. Okay, so we're gonna make a right U-turn. So I'm turning on the right blinker. Approach this carefully. This is a blind junction. I'm gonna start to turn with my right hand, and this is full right lock turn. I'm checking for the traffic for free or clear, and then now we can go and check on the left. Now counter steer one by one.